Hello everyone, this is me Xplogamer and welcome to Devlog 4. So last time we added the background art and added Xplo's mom, and this time we are going to create a game over falling animation for the game. Right now when Xplo hits an obstacle, it just shows the you're dead screen. So now we're going to add a falling animation because it will look better. So a person commented, instead of showing you're dead lol, you could just write Xplo dead. So it sounds like exploded. Very genius comment, and I'm going to implement it right now. I am going to remove your dead lol and exploded. Exploded. Amazing, that is good. So next up we have the falling animation. Let's open up Adobe After Effects. After Effects is what I use for making all of my animations in my videos. I don't want to create a stickman again, so let's just open up my idle animation. What the fuck? Oh, it was just there. I don't know why it showed there like that, but still in my file explorer. Okay, so now let's make the falling animation. There you go, Xplo is now falling. LMAO dead. So I have made it into 11 frame animation, and now I'm going to import this to Unity. Let me set this in the correct position. The animation is set, now let's go to the programming part. So once Xplo hits an object, the dead body, I mean the body that shows the falling animation, I'm gonna name it dead body, don't misunderstand. So that will be enabled, and every other body will be disabled. Animation controller, you can go to hell.
Why are we still here?
And now when we hit an object, oh no, I forgot to add collider, sorry. And now when Xplo hits an obstacle, Xplo's mom keeps running away.
Why are you running? Why are you running?
Okay, so let's edit her script so that she also stops running. So I added a function in mom script that she should stop running and show this idle animation, and that function will be called from Xplo script when he dies. I mean when he falls. Another thing I want to stop is the score. The score keeps on going even after he dies. So let's go to the level manager script and make it stop also with the help of a bool. Alright, so now the score has stopped, and this will be the final score shown. Alright, everything is going fine, everything is working perfectly. What the hell is going on here? The crow pushed Xplo's inner soul out of him, like he was Doctor Strange or something. So what happened here is that whenever Xplo hits the ground after jumping, he should show the running animation. That means the normal animation. But what happened here is after he jumped and hit the crow, then the dead falling animation starts, and then he hit the ground and the normal animation also. So both of the bodies came to place. So I edited the code that when he hits the ground, if he is alive only, he should show the running animation again. This line of code fixed all the error, and now it won't happen again. I made a minor adjustment to the score UI, and now the game looks beautiful. I've also updated the UI for pause menu, and now you will be able to see your high score after you die. This will be saved even when you exit the game and take it back. The high score will be the same unless you click the reset score. And now the UI, the game, and now it looks like an actual test build. But I want to release this game for you guys to test it as a test build, not the final product. So if it goes on like this, you guys will get bored because it's the same level loading again and again. So I've created 2 new maps for the game, and it will randomly switch between them so that you won't get bored. Here we have the school and Trojan computers, and then here is the bus stop. It's shown in a lot of my videos. Oh hey, you remember this house, don't you? So I'm using random.range function and then assigning 1, 2, 3 numbers to the 3 terrains, and we're calling them randomly. During each time player enters the trigger, it will randomly decide a number and call that terrain. So I've set the terrains accordingly. Right now they're still having the trash can and the bird obstacles, but we'll be switching them also randomly. The obstacles will also be random on how they will be spawning after each other. Right now it's still trash can and the birds, but wait till I want you guys to test it first. That's why I'm hurrying it up, so you can play the game and see if there's any flaws or mistakes, so you can report those bugs to me and I can fix them. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, our game is now working perfectly. It is now randomly switching between the 3 maps that I given. Don't worry, the final build will have more than 5 maps. Let's see. Right now the test build, I have 3 maps so that you guys won't get bored in the same place itself. And now another thing to make the game more interesting is music. Let's now create a music for our game. So I'm gonna be using an app called Bosca Seol. A YouTuber recommended this to me, and let's see if we can make a good music with this. So today I'm going to show you how much of a musical genius I am. Instead of thinking of a good tune, I'm gonna let my hands do the job. I'm gonna go close my eyes and I'm going to move my mouse randomly so that something gets created. Yeah, this feels good. Let's add other instruments to it and let's see if we can make it better. So this is going to be a beat to support it. Let's see how this will turn out. Okay, fine. Let me add this to the first arrangement. Okay. Let's create a random beat, just a doot beat. Now let me set these 3 arrangements into the correct order and see if it turns out okay. Marvelous. Beautiful music. Hands down the best music I've heard in a while. I'm going to send this to my friend and let's see what he tells about it. എങ്ങനെയുണ്ട്?
കൊള്ളില്ല.
ഏ?
കൊള്ളില്ല.
After I realized I'm a terrible composer, I decided to search for royalty-free musics online. And who else should I go other than the god of music, the one and only Kevin MacLeod. I found out this interesting music and I decided to use it in my game so that you guys don't get bored and you can just vibe to the music and play it. So our first test build is complete and now you guys can try out this test build in your PC and you can tell me your opinion on how I need to fix things and what all I can improve. You can tell it in the Xplo run channel in the Discord server, which if you haven't joined, join right now. And yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching. Please try out the game and let me know your opinions. Subscribe.